Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last class we have seen about basics of Python. We have seen about Jupyter Notebook. We have seen variables, and today I'm with a new video. Today we'll see about data types. Okay, what is data types and the type of data types. Okay, and we'll see the definition of what is data type. Data type is a classification that tells Python what kind of value a variable has. Means it will tell to the Python that which type of variable the variable holds. Okay, wait a second, I will write a definition. It is a classification that tells Python that what kind of values a variable has. Okay, it's here. Means it will tell Python that which type of data variable has. Okay, there are some type of examples. Okay, we'll show types of data types. Okay, types of data types. First one is numeric. Second one is boolean. Third one is string or character. Okay, these are the three types of data types. In numeric there is two types. One is integer and another one is float. Now what is integer? Now integer, the values does not the values which do not have decimal points, points. Example like 10, 2, 20, 12, 25, 50, 100, 1000, whatever it may be, but it doesn't have points in it, decimal points. What is float? The values which has decimal points in it, For example, 10.2, 1.5, 20.5, 100.6. These all are decimals. Okay, and the second data type is, and we will see now what is boolean data type. Okay, boolean data types means it represents truth values. Truth values means 0 and 1. It have only two possibles. One is true and another is false. Okay, true and false. The answer will be either true or false. Okay, then how we define this? Okay, means we will see it by example. Okay, uh, there are only means we will get only two outputs. Like see here, if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, print a is greater than b. If you run this, see here, true. A is greater than b means 5 is greater than 3. It is true, so that way we are getting an answer as true. Got it? And wait for a second. Now print a equal to b. If you run this, you'll get a false because a is not equal to b, 3 is not equal to 5. This is how we will get an answer in a boolean data type. Only two values you will get. One is true and another is false. Okay, and how you can identify its type means which type, like I have shown here. Type, if you assign a value as true, now print a, it should be in capital. If you run this, oh sorry, print a, I should not write print, I should write type a. If I print this, I will get an output as boolean. Means a has boolean data type. A has stored boolean values. Okay, boolean data type values. And in this we will see about strings and strings method. Okay, it is one of the important concept in Python. What are strings? Means it comes under data structures. Okay, these all are. There are two type of data structures. One is built-in and one is user defined. Okay, if I uh, shall I list it all, or shall I say one by one? I will explain it one by one. Okay, the first one is string. What is string? A sequence of characters is a string. Means sequence of characters which are written in a codes. Those all are considered as strings. Okay, see here in the below example I have given taken one example. Okay, document is an variable in which we have stored one string value. It is in the type of string. Okay, see here, if I run this, we'll get to the same. It is string. Now if I want to confirm this which type of string it is, just I given this command as type document. If I run this, see here, the type of document is class string. Means this document belongs to, or it holds string data type, string values. Okay, see here, I said that which whatever characters we return in between quotes, it may be single quote or double quote. See here, on the above example we have given the value within double quotes, but in this we are giving the values in a single quote. If I run this, I will get the same result. See here, and if you want to see the data types, just type address. See here, we will get the same thing, string. No changes in data type, either it may be an single quote or double quote. Okay, and we will see the methods now. Methods of strings. Okay, the first method is string slice, string indexing. This is one of the methods in strings. Okay, what is string indexing now? String indexing means accessing individual characters in a string using their position. Position means indexing. Okay, see here, wait, I will show you example. No, it is correct. I have taken an example. The variable name is string and I have assigned a value called hello python. Okay, see here, how to do indexing. Okay, I have taken the same thing here, hello python. We have to index it. Indexing starts with a 0. Means you are assigning a value, 0 value to the h, 1 value to the e, 2 value to the l. Like this it goes on continuous. For space also it consider it as position. See here, position 5. Okay, see here, position at last position is n, so it is assigned with 11. See here, if you want to do indexing, you just type the variable name. In the square bracket, you give the position. See here, if I give the 0 position, if I run this, you will get h. See here, for 0, h is the value. We have assigned a index of 0 is h. Now if I run variable name with 5, what is the, which value is there in fifth position? See here, if I run this, see here, I get nothing. Why? Because for a fifth value, there isn't space here. So that's why I got nothing. See here, and there is a negative indexing also. Okay, wait, I will show you how negative indexing works. Like 11, sorry, it will start with -1. Okay, negative indexing, negative indexing, it will start from reverse. Means from n. For n it will take it as -1. For o it will take it as -2. So it goes on continuous like this. Okay, see here, if you type, if you want to access -7th position, see here, -7 is against y. We will see here, n is -1, 2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 is, see here, again it is space. That's why we have got nothing here. If we run string length of, if you want to see the length of this string, what is the length of the string? If you just use this length keyword. Okay, length, it is about 12 characters. Here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Here it's given it as 12. Means it contains of 12 characters. Okay, and we will see this now, string 6. If you run this, we'll get p. 6 means p. See here, 6 means p. We got this here as output. The second method is string slicing. What is string slicing? Means we need to we need to what is string slicing? String slicing is a technique to extract substring from the string. Means if we have one string, okay, if we have one string, we need to extract one more substring from it. How we will see it now? Okay, wait. Str. I will run this here. It is our string. Okay. From this string, we need to take another substring. How? By assigning an index value. See here. This is a starting index value. This is an end index value. If I run this, I will get hello. See here. Because I have started with from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means it will end here, means not here but before that. Okay, that's why we got hello only. I will give one more example now. str1 from 1 to n. If I run this, I will get this. See here, we have not taken zeroth value, zeroth index, so it refused to take h. It started from e and we have not taken this last two. Okay, that's why we have entered with 10 only. That's why only p y t h. See here. We will see now. See, we are taking another example here. We have taken data is a new fuel. See here, we are taking this, and if you want to print whole string, means we won't need to give any starting and ending index position. We just need to give a colon, means it will print the whole string. See here. Okay, string, not string 1, it is string 2. See here, it is taken as full string only. If we didn't assign any starting and ending value, we can also do only giving starting. Okay, starting index value. If we don't give it any index value, it will consider it as from starting to the full. See here, if we run this, we'll get, see here, we are starting from third index. Means what is third? 0, 1, 2, 3, a. From a it will take it as full. See here, a is a full. If we don't assign any starting value, means it will start from 0. If we end with a 6, if I run here, see here, we didn't give any starting, means it will take from starting DATA 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means it will stop it here I. So we got only data dot I data space I with the negative indexing. See here, we got this, and there is then one more here in this step method. Okay, which we are starting from 0 and ending with last indexing, but we are taking -2, means 2 as in step, means we'll get output with a step, means there will be a gap in between two indexing. See here. After D we didn't got A, after T we didn't got A, after space we didn't got I. See here, we didn't got A, we didn't got U. See here, means there will be an step in between it. Okay, now updating and deleting the string, this is also one type of string method. Okay, we have taken this an example, data dot course, means course as an variable and data size as an value. See here, course, if I type starting to 4, means I will get DAT 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. This is I have sliced it to fourth position now. If see here, how I can update the value, where I need to assign it, where I need to update the value. I need to update the value from 0 to 4th position. What is there in 0 to 4th? It is data. So I need to replace life where data is present. So I assign the value for this position. If I run this, see here, string does not support item. Okay, wait a second. if you want to update any function, see here, if you want to update any value from an existing value, we need to use replace function. Okay, you just give your variable name and give this function dot replace. What you want to replace with what? You want to replace life with data. So if I run this, I will replace it. See here. Now if I print this, see here, why I got the same answer? Because the these strings are unmutable. Huh? That's why it doesn't change it permanently. For an instant purpose, it will change it. Okay, see here. This is how we update any strings with the help of replace value. Okay. Now we want to delete the object. See here, how to delete the object using del keyword or a function. If you want to delete this, okay, I want to delete this variable course, so I use this keyword del and a variable name. If I type this, see here, it is deleted. Course is not defined, means it is deleted, it is not found. That's why we are getting an error. Okay. And string concatenation. What is string concatenation? We'll see this now. String concatenation. First we will see what is concatenation. Concatenation is adding two variables or two strings. That is called concatenation. We can add anything with the help of concatenation. See here, we are adding two string. We are concatenating two strings here, s1 and s2. S1 is one string, s2 is another string. So with the help of plus operator, we are concatenating it. See here, well-being. See, if you want it in a good structure, we use, see here, hyphen to separate them. We use plus in between them. We use hyphen with an quote. If I run this, see here, I got an hyphen also in between them. This is how we do concatenation. Okay. And what is string membership? String membership is used for checking. Okay, checking if this substring is present in the string. See here, now I have given this one string here. I want to check whether this substring is present in greetings or not. This is our greetings. Whether this is present in our string or not. If I run this, see here, false. It is not present. Where it is? In our string it is not present. So that's why we are getting false. If I type this namaste, namaste in greetings, whether it is present in greetings, yes, it is present. If I run this, we will get a true here. See here, I got a true. Whether HOLA is present, HOLA is present in greetings, you just comment it. Present or absent, true or false, you will get true or false. We will get a false. See here. Why? Python isn't case sensitive, means it will consider this HOLA is different, this HOLA is different. Why? Because this is in small lowercase letter, this is in uppercase letter. That's why Python isn't case sensitive. We call Python as case sensitive. See here, we got a false here. Now string partition. What is string partitions? Means if we want to partition, means we want to separate the given string. See here, partition searches for substring as argument to break up the strings into three parts. It will make three parts. Part before the argument of argument substring, part following the argument. See here, this is our string. Okay, this is our string. Using this partition function, this is our variable, this is our function, and this is our argument. See here, wherever it will do partition, wherever and is there. If I run this, see here, we got one string before the and one string and itself, and the another string is this after the and. Okay, what I said is, if you want to do the partition,
see here, if and is used for separating
partition.
Okay, see here,
Wherever
means
and is there. If I run
one
this,
partition is before and, one is and another one is
one string
after the
before
and.
the and.
And one is the
And
second
one
substring. Okay,
and it's
second,
and the another string is
and
this
after the and is will be the third one.
okay.
See here,
What I
as
said is,
I am showing here,
if you want to do the partition,
this is how it works. Okay, if I give now here with, if I change and to with now, see here, I will show the example now. Now type with, and if I run this cell now,
this
before with will be the one string, and with is a second string, after the with is a third string. See now, see here, natural language processing is first, with is second, Python is third. Okay, now see here, same thing, count, and we can count the wordings also with the help of count function. String variable name dot count dot, and what you want to count, that's it, in the bracket with quote. And now we will see about string functions. Okay, first in string functions we will see some basics. Okay, first I am assigning a value to the variable, and the first function is count. We'll see now, we will count that how many e are there in the above variable or in the given value, just counting the value, total number of values, count. If I run this cell, I will get 3. Okay, and strip, why, for what purpose the strip is used? Strip is used for removing the spaces. See here, in my variable there is a leading and trailing spaces, so strip, if we use dot strips, we will remove the spaces. Okay, we remove the spaces from the value or the given variable. See here, I got the result now. If I run this, see here, if I run the same thing once again, but I will get the same what I have it was before, means there is spaces now. Why? Because Python is immutable, string is immutable. Okay, sorry, string is immutable, means we cannot change the value. Okay, once we have given means, but it can be done with one method. Which method we will see here? See here, we will assign another variable with this function. Okay, we are doing this operation, means removing the strips, means removing values, we will store it in another variable. See here, I have stored this in new grid. Okay, new grid variable, that's why I get the result now. And now see here, we will see that how to remove spaces and some of the, okay, I got the error, I need to run this first one. And see here, with the help of strip, I will remove this leading and trailing spaces now. See here, if I run, I will get this, but I also want to remove the symbols also from the given string. How should I remove? By giving the, by calling it in the bracket. See here, using strips, and in a bracket I have given some special symbols. Wherever the symbols are there, it will remove them all. See here, if I run this, see now, there are some see here, ampersand and asterisk and some percentages. I have given all of them in a bracket. If I try to run this, I will get the result. See here, see, all the spaces and ampersand, percentage and asterisk, all of them are removed. If we use some conditions, means we should specify in that bracket. Okay, see here, and some basic functions like count. We will see how many pre are there. Means if we don't want to see the full word, we can use some. Okay, like we can use some of them words and we will see that. And now lower means if you want to convert any of our string or any of our variable, if you want to convert it to lower class, means lower case, you just use dot lower. See, if I run, all are converted to lower cases. And if I want to convert it to an upper cases, just use dot upper. Okay, if I run this now, it will all convert to upper cases. And we will see next topic is format for a string. Okay, how to format a string. We'll take some example here, like item 1, item 2, item 3 as the 3 variables. And see here, I wrote I will write it under print. See here, if I write print, I just need to assign. See here, if I use 3 flower brackets in between the print statement and I give dot format as those 3 strings, dot format as 3 strings, those all strings dot format, and I give this all 3 variables, it all will go to the wherever the flower bracket is present. See, like means, wait, it's error, I will show you. Means the first flower bracket will replace as 40, means string 1, a variable 1. The second flower bracket will be replaced to variable 2, means 55, and the third will be, see, and same one. This is the end of the video. We will see in the next video. Take care.